How to refill or top up AdBlue on Nissan Qashqai J11 1.5 dieseI, 2018 to 2022, in just few simple steps. I have heard that more and more Nissan Qashqai owners have a faulty sensor in the AdBlue tank. Because of this, there is a risk that at some point you will run out of AdBlue and the car will not start, without receiving that warning on the dashboard. You should know that for this 1.5 diesel engine from Qashqai, Nissan recommends topping up with AdBlue once every 30,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever comes first. So, it's good to top up a little earlier, at most 11 months or before 25,000 kilometers, so that you don't have any problems. You should also know that the AdBlue tank of the Nissan Qashqai 1.5 diesel has a capacity of 16 liters. And now let's see how to top up with AdBlue. First, open the tank pulling from the button located inside the car. The AdBlue tank is next to the gas tank having a blue cap. Remove the blue cap twisting it counterclockwise and then pour the AdBlue liquid. Use a funnel if the can doesn't have one. We poured only 2 liters of AdBlue. After you've finished, put the cap back on and twist it clockwise. If you have any other suggestions, write to us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.